Hey, it's Eran here. I'm doing a quick video. This is at the request of several members of a Facebook group of a software called Frase. And Frase is a software that lets me basically search for content online and use that to be able to build up my own content. Okay. So I'm just using it as a use case for how to help me with my YouTube SEO. Now I've got a full training on how I do YouTube SEO and how I rank videos on the first page of YouTube every single time. And I got a whole process. Okay. So I will leave the link in the description so you can learn how to do that as well. I do also have a paid course and I also have a beginner's guide as well. Which you can get if you like, but the training itself that is free, it's easy to use, and I've got a Chrome extension that works really well. Now, to do the description, right now, the YouTube SEO that I'm currently doing, I'm going after the keyword pixel affiliate link, okay? So I want to target the word pixel. I want to target the word affiliate link. So I want to define those, okay? So here's how I can save time. I go to Frase, I click on new document, I create a document, I create a folder, YouTube SEO, I've got a folder for that. I type in what is a pixel, okay? And then I'm going to have a whole bunch of suggestions that will tell me what is a pixel, okay? So I'm going to give it a few seconds and it will now populate. It's now searching through the net and it will populate the content here in a second, okay? From Hootsuite, I'm familiar with some of those. And there you go, okay? So content briefs, summaries, pixel, pixel. What is a pixel? There you go. If you're using Facebook ads, there is one key tool you should start right away to get most of a social ad budget, Facebook Pixel. So I click that, okay, and it should populate it basically. Oops, not this. Oh, there you go. What is a pixel? Blah, blah, blah. There you go. That's the first thing. If you're using Facebook ads or plan to use them in the future, there's one key tool you should start using right away. Facebook Pixel will help you social, blah, blah. That's good. What is a Facebook Pixel? Facebook Pixel is a code you install, blah, blah, blah. Great. It works by triggering cookies, blah, blah, blah. There you go. Use Facebook retargeting. There you go. Okay, so here's a bunch of content. Okay, I can copy that. And then I can go to my video and I can say, in case you want to learn more about what is a Facebook pixel, here is some info I gathered. Okay, I click enter, paste, and you'll see all the content will then show up, right? So here it is. And that's just really good because then it's targeting the word pixel, okay? Now I'm gonna go and do the exact same thing right here, and I'll go to what is an affiliate link. It will now populate and get all this content. I'm gonna delete all this, I don't need it again, so that's fine. And then what's good about that is you gotta understand that when you're doing YouTube SEO, you just need to put the keywords, right? That's all you need to do, really. That's the beauty of it. You're not, it's pretty simple definitions, right? And every time I use the word pixel, I'm stuffing the key. I'm not stuffing the keyword, but I'm increasing the keyword density. Okay. Let's see. So let's go to questions or summaries. What is an affiliate link? An affiliate link is a unique URL assigned to a specific affiliate. The affiliate records, contains, da 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 da. Great. Okay, that's good. What is affiliate marketing? Okay, that's good. So I'm going to put this here, put this here, cut, bring it here. It. Okay. Now here's the description, right? Now I'm going to delete a whole bunch of stuff because it's a bit too much. So that's fine. Follow me on LinkedIn. Follow me on Instagram. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's go to the top. Pixel affiliate link is super simple. You simply need a software like Switchy.io. At the time of recording, the video is available, blah, blah, blah. The link I showed you the video is blah. In case you're new to the affiliate marketing, I can even just delete that. Affiliate marketing is the process in which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's company products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes the product and earn a piece of the profit from each sale they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. An affiliate link is a unique URL assigned to a specific affiliate. The affiliate link contains the records of affiliate ID, username allowed the affiliate to get credit for the traffic. If the visitor clicks the affiliate link, that performs the action, blah, blah, blah. In case you want, if you're using Facebook Pixel, okay, so I used the word pixel enough, and that's good. So good enough, okay? Now, here it is the title. And that's pretty much it. This is not a tutorial about how to do YouTube SEO. If you want to learn more, I will link the YouTube SEO training as well, so you can check it out. But what's more important here is just showing you how Frase is actually saving me time. Okay. Now, if you're watching this video, you can check out AppSumo. The description. If it's still available at the discount price, that's great. And if not, then you missed out. Okay. So there you go. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously, the SEO score is pretty good. Okay. I want to use the Pixel affiliate link in a few more places to make the ranking a bit better. To understand the value of a Pixel affiliate link, let us define what is Pixel and what is an affiliate link. And then you'll see the percentage should go a little bit higher. delete that sentence. Okay, here you go. Then you go to tags, and then anyway, there's more that I can share about this, but I think it's good enough for now. All right, thanks for watching. That's how I use Frase. Hope you get some value from this. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.